Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be going to Walmart and I want to show you guys some of my favorite affordable drugstore makeup products. We're going to do like a little makeshift makeup routine. Say you're a beginner at makeup, you don't really know where to start. I want to show you some of my favorite products. If I was a beginner just starting out with makeup, didn't know where to begin, what to do, what to get, this is what I would get, where I would start, because look, I get it. Makeup can be very, very intimidating at times, especially when you're a beginner. So without further ado, let's get into Walmart. Everybody loves a good Wally World moment. Let's get in here. Alright, so we're gonna start with e.l.f. or primer. I love this primer. Such a great beginner friendly primer. If foundations intimidate you, this Soft Glam foundation is only $8. So freaking affordable. Now, I love the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is also a great alternative as well. Now, this e.l.f. Brow Lift is a wonderful brow product. I love it. It's great at shelf shaping. Another great brow alternative is this NYX Brow Glue. I've heard really good things about it. Now, when it comes to foundations, the Maybelline Fit Me has always been my go-to. You really cannot go wrong with the Maybelline Fit Me. But a new favorite of mine is the L'Oreal True Match. This, if you want a foundation that's going to be so skin-like, this is a great foundation alternative. And if foundations intimidate you, skin tints are also really good too. I don't know what happened here. Now, if bronzers and blushes intimidate you, I think this right here by CoverGirl would be a great starting point. The CoverGirl True Blend Skin Enhancer. I think this would be really nice. In fact, I might need to pick this up for myself, really. I'm not seeing my favorite concealer, but a good starting point is this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Or the tried and true, the Maybelline Magic Eraser. My only drawback with this concealer is that it burns. If you know, you know. When it comes to good brow products, these are really good tinted brow products right here. If you want the best blur of your life, get the L'Oreal Infallible Blurfection Loose Setting Powder. And this is also really good when it comes to blush pigment. Hands down, one of my favorite bronzers. When it comes to lipsticks, anything by L'Oreal is gonna be good. These lifter glosses, so good. One in ice, perfect. Every day, perfect. Stone is my favorite. I love Stone. So Stone and ice are like my go-tos. I gotta run it back. This grippy primer here is really good. If you're looking for a good setting spray, the Milani Make It Last is great. The Milani bronzers blend like a dream, and the price is even dreamier. These mascaras are viral, and they're viral for a reason. Great go-to. And of course, if you're afraid of foundation, the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion is a great start if you're not comfortable with foundations. It also comes in a highlight, into a liquid blush as well. So you can use this, the bronzer, and the blush as a start if you want to. That's the safest option in my opinion. All right, y'all, I hope my recommendations were helpful to y'all. I even picked up a couple of things for myself. So let me show you what I got real quick, because y'all, it's hot and yeah, I gotta get home. I picked up the CoverGirl True Blend Skin Enhancer. I'm really excited to try this out. I think this is gonna look really pretty on my skin. And I picked up the L'Oreal lipstick in the shade Ferris Nude. I can't wait to try this out as well. I used to be into lipstick heavy back in like 2015, 2016, but I kind of like lost interest in it. So we gonna see what Ferris Nude is hitting on, because I have not been that interested in like lipstick in a while. But because I've been in like my lip gloss era for quite a while now. But we're gonna see what Ferris Nude is hitting on, okay? So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with all of my makeup content, okay? All of my vlogs, all of my commentary, all of the things, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, become a member, become my girly or my good sis. And I think that wraps it up for today's video. I hope you guys found some really good recommendations to help start your makeup journey. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. See y'all in the next one. Bye.